Hey guys, welcome back to AV Creations, and today we have another HTML video for you. In this video, we'll be covering the different types of text types, including headings, paragraphs. Paragraphs we covered it in the previous video. So we'll be covering new headings, H1 to H6. That will be the new topic. For the last video, I used Notepad and I typed out even the basic structure. But for this video, I'm going to be using CodeWriter, which is available in the Microsoft Store if you want to download it. So, as you can see, the CodeWriter's main feature, when you create a new HTML document, it already has the basic structure pre-written. So you can just add the title. You can just change the title and another great feature of CodeWriter, when you close a tag, so I just I just closed H1 and it already did the off H1 automatically. You don't need to type H1 and off H1 again. So I would recommend this app for both HTML and Python. Alright, so for H1, let's just type some random text. This is mainly just for you to identify the differences between all the text types. Okay, there are H1 to H6, and they go in the descending order of sizes. So H1 is the biggest and H6 will be the smallest, so you can use them as per your will. And yeah.
When you're going to show it in the website, that is way expired anything is usually used for copyright and the other small text that is not important. And text 6, right? What was that? Comment. Yeah, comment, right?
Alright guys, so we have written all the headings from H1 to H6. Now let's open it up, save it and open it up and see the differences. Alright guys, I've opened the document up. So as you can see, this was H1, this was H2, this was H3, this was H4, and this was H5, and this was H6. So H1 can be used for your headings, H2 can be used for subheadings, and H3 and H4 can also be used in many places. H5 and H6 can be used to mention any copyrights or anything that's not so important in your website. So that's it guys, these are all the headings, and we'll be covering how to add styles to these headings and how to add styles to paragraphs and to the body in our next video. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, meet you in our next video.